Ever wondered why your stomach suddenly growls in a quiet room? It's not really hunger. It's your body cleaning itself. When your stomach and intestines are empty, they start a cycle called the migrating motor complex, a gentle wave that sweeps away leftover food and gas. Those movements create echoes of air, and that's the growl you hear. So next time your tummy talks, smile. It's just saying, I'm resetting for the next meal. Share this with your kids and friends, and subscribe for more human body secrets.